day one of our journey from St. Louis to Sturgis. And the missus, oh, are you doing a video of, look, we're doing video at the same time. So,
I love that.
She pulls in, she goes, look at this guy with his murder machine. Like, it does look like, all right, everyone line up. We'll be murdering everybody. Look at that terrifying thing of nightmares. So. All right, so welcome to this episode or something. Today we're going to Sioux City, South Dakota.
Sioux City.
And then tomorrow is Pierre. So I don't know when we'll stop, but I need some breakfast.
Me too.
Fat Boy's hungry. Need to fill the truck too. Hang out with us. That dude's partying. Like, there you go. Never quit riding. Where are we?
South Dakota.
South Dakota at KOA. Where the hell are we? Oh, North Sioux City. North Sioux City KOA. So we're, how far are we?
No idea.
Not that far. So tomorrow I think it's in a 4 or 5 hour day to Pierre, I think. And then staying the night at the Grey Goose. Just plugging in there. Buddy Limo's got a plug for us. And Jasmine Cain is playing tomorrow night. You remember that, right?
Woo!
And we're gonna have a good old time, and then we'll go on to the Buffalo Chip the next day on my birthday.
Happy early birthday.
This is a neat place, man. It's warm, but it's a neat campground. And we have a tree at our campsite, which helps because the sun is
And there are monkeys in the tree.
angry. Look at this. What's this thing here? Prospector Point Mining Corporation, gemstone and fossil panning. What? How fun is that? You're gonna pan for gold.
Woohoo!
Nice, jump in. All right, let's go check in and see if they have the propane tanks we need. We weren't completely prepared. All right, as we continue this epic journey. I think we're about to Mitchell, South Dakota. Just saw a guy pulling a travel trailer with a half-ton Ford.
Sweet.
We're sitting there yelling, hit the brakes, dude, because it was trailers doing this, and this dumb son of a bitch is going on, you know. Anyway, windy up here. If you don't have enough truck, slow down. Secondly, get more truck. Like, you know. Go inside, grab something. Snacks. Where the hell are we? Fuel Mart somewhere around Mitchell, South Dakota. Heading into Pierre, be there in I think about 200 miles to go to the Grey Goose Social Lodge and store where our buddy Limo owns the place, and hanging out with him and some brothers and sisters of the organization shall not be named, and Jasmine fucking Cain. So she'll be there. We'll hang out. We're thinking maybe we'll interview her for a bit, ask some questions, and if she wants. I don't know. And maybe I'll have to edit this part out because she says, no, I hate you. I don't know. We'll find out. And then a little bit of fun tonight, and then that'll close out this video. But we have a plan at least now.
Yes. There's the
And then
plan.
tomorrow is arrival at the chip and all that stuff. So come along. So the Dignity statue, I think she's supposed to be a Lakota Sioux woman dancing. I've never gotten a decent photo. We never stop. I don't know why. It's just beautiful. The blanket she's like dancing with is like stained glass inside there or something. Yeah, see? Absolutely amazing. I saw that Steve from Sick Baggers and his wife actually stopped and took a picture there. So
Look at this view.
yeah,
I love this stretch.
it's like the only lake you see in South Dakota.
And where are we headed?
Pierre. For some reason they pronounce it Pierre, but it's Pierre. It's spelled Pierre. Not to anger the people of Pierre. To the Grey Goose Social Club and General Store / restaurant. Our buddy Limo owns it. And
You gotta be sick, so will you? Whoa, Jesus.
The roads here are a bit questionable for stretches, but yeah. So the So at the Grey Goose, Jasmine Cain's playing tonight. I already said this in the video, but whatever. And then tomorrow's the 5th, my birthday.
Woohoo! You turned 21?
Yeah, I turned 22.
Sweet.
Times, anyway. We're going to the Badgers meet and greet at the Big Engine Bar at the Buffalo Chip. And then... and then we're going to Glencoe after that to party with Pipes and Nicole. And then the 6th is what is the 6th? Oh,
our meet and greet.
Well, yeah, but before that, we're going to the Dennis Kirk Garage Build bike show at the Iron Horse. Probably have breakfast at the Throttle that day, and then go to the Iron Horse, and then then the meet and greet, and then not Snoop because he canceled. Then it's
Twisted Tea, iced tea, not Twisted Tea.
Not Twisted. I was like, that's specific. You know what you're gonna have to drink? Iced tea and Bone Thugs and Harmony. So anyway. And then tonight we'll video Jasmine maybe hanging out with her and the Grey Goose and stuff and these motorcycles. What are you doing?
Yeah, bikers.
Oh, that was nice. Ooh, new CVO.
That's very nice.
That's cool. All right. All right. See y'all in a bit.
Bye.
Bye. So here we be at the Grey Goose Store and Social Club, and I don't know where to go. But that's the general store and restaurant. And then back here, Limo has constructed, you can see these walls like it looks like an old Western town. Or look, there's a stage. That stage is like 7 days old. He just built that. All right, let me shut the camera off. We'll throw the rig off all the way and figure out where we're supposed to be. But this is gonna be badass. Welcome to Pierre. This is total bullshit. Yeah.
That's a work, you slacker.
Sturgis Brewing's here and Limo's here and I'm setting up tents. It's not cool. Not. Oh, hats. Never mind. Hats and beer. Never know when a Dodge Town and Country pulls up, could be full of beer. You just never know when they're.
Pretty girls and beer.
Pretty girls and beer inside.
They're for more than just carrying kids.
They're for more than just kids anymore. So Sturgis Brewing Company. What flavors do we have? Okay, so red cut red ale, a porter. Cranddaddy.
We don't have that one. What did we bring?
Runkle Road, Black Hills Blonde.
Second Street Wheat, Purple Rain, and our Golden Miner Porter.
Ooh.
Porter. And who else?
Yep.
We have to have tastings here pretty soon.
Runkle and red cut.
Yeah, we have those two.
Oh, there was one brought in somewhere. I'm kind of blown away by this. So, me and the missus, we talk about how much we love the Knuckle, and the Knuckle had the Knuckle Brewing Company. That's now Sturgis Brewing Company. So this is what used to be the Knuckle Brewing Company. So exit 32, restaurant, gift shop. You could do tasting room. Yep. So there you go. So boys and girls and everything in between, when you're at Sturgis during the rally, stop by exit 32, go to the Sturgis Brewing Company, get yourself a libation or 27. Take some back to your campground. But remember, they search your shit. So
hide it well.
Hide it correctly and then put it down your pants. That'll work. Right?
Hey, that'll work.
That'll work.
You've done it before.
I'm going to have some in a minute. So Jasmine's here, so I'm going to go tell her I'm a groupie. See if, you know. Oh, they're in the wrong place. Oh my God! Jasmine Cain! Groupies are here.
Oh my God! Jasmine fucking Cain!
I guarantee you right now they're like, would you please fuck off and give us a little bit of peace?
Give us some time.
So, if you know who she is, that's her.
Oh my
Hey babe, when do we get to drive down the road with my face on the side of the rig, or your face, or somebody's face? She's your spirit animal. Kevin's kind of mine.
Kevin's your spirit animal?
Kevin's kind of my spirit animal. Maybe. I've told him. The merch out of the truck. Yeah. Oh my lord. I earned my fucking shirt today.
I don't know what's louder, the band or the wind.
Ghetto shit. That's a real nice sporty. This is the greatest fucking family activity I've ever seen right there. The family that headbangs together stays together. Evidently there's some wait, no. Evidently there's some goth shit going on over here.
Hello.
Oh yeah.
Come to the Grey Goose.
Come to we have the curtains. Hang on. I'm goth. Hang on. Yes.
Oh, it doesn't quite have the same effect when it's a bald guy doing it.
I think I'm kind of sexy. No?
Yeah, it's a 360.
What?
Yeah, no, you're sexy, baby.
This is some bullshit.
Yeah,
I think I'm
sexy. Look, we said you were sexy.
I think it's too much rock for one hand, man.
Too much what?
Too much rock for one hand.
What the fuck is wrong with these people? Rural South Dakota, they ain't right.
Actually,
They ain't right.
No, they're all right. They got it all.
Oh, by the way, I met her daughter. Just like imagine like shrunk, just like smaller. Like,
As gorgeous, but tiny.
I tried to. Well, I was gonna say like go get in that silver truck out there. And then I was like, but that's not appropriate.
That sounded really weird.
It's cut
that out. It's good. You're good.
No, I'll leave it in because I'm. This editing thing's not my strong point. Well, last night was a success. Jasmine and the team hasn't pulled out yet. We're going to shortly. The Grey Goose did not disappoint. Great food, great people. It was a blast. So, thanks again to Brother Limo for letting us boondock park, whatever you want to call it, behind their place. I'm now going to open my gray valves and dump water on the ground. But we roll into the Buffalo Chip today. Today is the 5th of my birthday. I am now even older than I was yesterday. So, looking forward to a whole lot of fun for the rest of the week. Closes out today's episode? I don't know. Look for more shenanigans. Watch this fat guy do more stupid shit. Take care of each other out there. We'll talk real soon. Bye.